So now let's fast forward 2 years and let's look at Elon Musk in 2001.
Additional hair. He most likely was on medical therapy around this time or maybe soon after this time.
From the hair that he had in 1999 to how he looks like now without a true hair transplant.
Or just curious as to how his hair looks so amazing now, considering how he looked back in the 90s, for example, right?
Elon Musk hair loss. Elon Musk, a prominent figure in the tech industry, has long been in the public eye due to his groundbreaking innovations and influential lifestyle. Tracking his hair transformation is relatively straightforward given his consistent media presence. Examining Musk's timeline of images, it's apparent that his hairline began to recede, particularly after the launch of PayPal. The recession of his hairline was quite significant, and there were even signs of thinning at the crown. A comparison between older photographs and his current appearance strongly suggests the possibility of Elon Musk undergoing a hair transplant. As the late 90s approached, Elon Musk's hair situation appeared to worsen. The thinning at the crown became even more pronounced, indicating a potential for further hair loss in the future. This progression in Elon Musk's hair transformation has garnered attention and sparked discussions about potential interventions. The noticeable changes in his hairline and crown have led to speculation about whether he underwent a hair transplant procedure. It's worth noting that hair loss is a common concern for many individuals, and seeking solutions like hair transplants is a personal choice. For someone like Elon Musk, who holds a significant public presence, any changes in appearance are bound to draw attention and speculation. Elon Musk hair transplant. Elon Musk's alleged hair transplant has become a topic of speculation, and upon close examination of photographs, it does seem plausible. The images strongly suggest that Musk was experiencing male pattern baldness, a hereditary condition that affects men, causing a progressive loss of hair. This type of hair loss typically commences with a receding hairline, which gradually advances to thinning at the crown. Elon Musk's hair loss progression seems to align with this pattern. It's important to note that male pattern baldness is a common condition and is typically influenced by genetic factors. In the case of Elon Musk, the visual evidence supports the notion that he was indeed dealing with male pattern baldness. Given that there is no known cure for this condition apart from hair transplantation, the rumors surrounding Elon Musk's hair transplant hold weight. Hair transplantation is a surgical procedure that involves the extraction of hair follicles from one part of the body, typically the back or sides of the scalp, and transplanting them into areas where hair is thinning or absent. This procedure has gained popularity as an effective way to address male pattern baldness and restore a fuller head of hair. For individuals like Elon Musk, who are in the public eye and whose appearances are widely documented, any noticeable changes in their physical appearance are likely to attract attention. The discussion surrounding Elon Musk's alleged hair transplant underscores the broader societal interest in issues related to hair loss and the various interventions available. Ultimately, the decision to undergo a hair transplant is a personal one, influenced by factors such as self-esteem, body image, and individual preferences. It is not uncommon for individuals, including public figures like Elon Musk, to explore options like hair transplantation to address concerns about hair loss and regain confidence in their appearance. Male pattern baldness. Male pattern baldness, a prevalent condition affecting over 50% of men, is characterized by permanent hair loss. One of the most effective remedies for this condition is a hair transplant procedure. This surgical intervention involves the extraction of hair follicles from the donor area, usually located at the back of the scalp, and subsequently transplanting them into the areas affected by baldness. The transplanted hair follicles continue to grow hair indefinitely, providing a long-lasting solution. In the case of Elon Musk, the results of his alleged hair transplant are striking and appear remarkably natural. Without prior knowledge or access to past photographs, it would be challenging for observers to discern any signs of the procedure. This speaks to the effectiveness of modern hair transplant techniques in achieving seamless and authentic outcomes. The procedure's success is underpinned by the careful selection of donor hair follicles. Those harvested from the back of the scalp are genetically resistant to the hormone dihydrotestosterone, which is responsible for triggering male pattern baldness. Consequently, when transplanted to areas affected by this condition, these follicles retain their resilience to DHT, ensuring sustained hair growth. It's important to note that while hair transplant can yield transformative results, it is not a one-size-fits-all solution. The suitability of this procedure depends on individual factors such as the extent of baldness, the availability of donor hair, and the specific goals and expectations of the individual seeking treatment. Overall, a hair transplant offers a viable solution for individuals grappling with male pattern baldness. Its ability to provide natural and enduring results, as exemplified by Elon Musk's alleged procedure, underscores its effectiveness in addressing this common and often distressing condition. By leveraging advancements in medical technology and surgical techniques, individuals can regain a fuller head of hair and, in turn, enhance their confidence and self-image. Elon Musk's hair transplant. Elon Musk's hair transplant is estimated to have involved around 4,000 grafts, though the exact number may vary. The success and natural appearance of his hair transplant can be attributed to the skill of the surgeon, particularly in the crucial step of designing the hairline. The hairline is a focal point as it frames the face and plays a significant role in enhancing facial expressions. A well-designed hairline is a critical factor in the overall success of a hair transplant. It's the first thing people notice and greatly impacts the overall aesthetic outcome. In Elon Musk's case, the surgeon responsible for his transplant clearly excelled in creating a hairline that not only looks natural but also complements his facial features. At Vera Clinic, where Elon Musk's hair transplant was purportedly performed, surgeons dedicate a specific session to meticulously plan and design the hairline prior to the actual procedure. This involves careful consideration of various factors, including the patient's facial structure, hairline shape, and individual preferences. The aim is to create a hairline that harmonizes with the individual's unique features, resulting in a natural and aesthetically pleasing outcome. The success of Elon Musk's hair transplant also reflects the advancements in hair restoration techniques and technologies. Modern hair transplant procedures, particularly the follicular unit extraction method, have revolutionized the field of hair restoration. FUE involves extracting individual hair follicles from a donor area and implanting them in the recipient area. This technique ensures a natural-looking outcome as the transplanted hair blends seamlessly with the existing hair. Additionally, the use of high-quality grafts and meticulous attention to detail during the transplant process contribute to the overall success of the procedure. Skilled surgeons like those at Vera Clinic are adept at achieving natural-looking results by strategically placing grafts in a way that mimics natural hair growth patterns. In supposition, Elon Musk's successful hair transplant can be attributed to various factors, including the skill of the surgeon, meticulous hairline design, and advancements in hair transplant techniques. The procedure demonstrates how modern hair restoration methods can effectively address hair loss and provide individuals with a natural and aesthetically pleasing result. Hair transplant cost. Musk's decision to opt for a cutting-edge FUE hair transplant likely came at a significant cost, given the advanced nature of the procedure and the absence of any noticeable scars. The price for an FUE transplant typically ranges from $15,000 to $20,000. This suggests that Elon Musk may have invested a substantial sum in his hair transplant. Considering Elon Musk's financial status, it's important to note that even before becoming the world's richest man, he had a sizable income. He had previously sold PayPal to eBay, reportedly pocketing around $180 million from the deal in 2002. This financial success suggests that Elon had the means to allocate a substantial budget for his hair transplant. Estimating the cost of Elon's two FUT procedures, it is reasonable to assume they collectively cost around $40,000 to $50,000. This includes expenses related to the surgeries, as well as any associated pre- and